Hello, I would like to introduce you today our new magazine speed loader, Podavach Fury. Loaded. So here's new design. It become more lightweight and total beautiful. So find us on web on podavach.com and thank you.